Oscillation, wave motion and acoustics. Oscillation, wave motion and acoustics. कुरो बुझ्यो हैन? ल अब यो तीनवटा मध्ये oscillation भन्ने च्याप्टरबाट म स्टार्ट गर्छु अनि acoustics भन्ने च्याप्टरमा गएर एन्ड गर्छु है त। ल व्हाट इज oscillation? What are the contents that are to be studied in oscillation? Your first unit is oscillation and you are very much familiar with this word oscillation. In physics, the frequently used word is oscillation and all of you are very much familiar with this word. And what are the contents to be studied in this unit? The contents are, first is mechanical oscillation. Mechanical oscillation. You know about mechanical body. Mechanical oscillation. Introduction of simple harmonic motion. What is simple harmonic motion? What are its characteristics equation? The motion of simple pendulum, the motion of compound pendulum, the motion of horizontal mass spring system, motion of vertical mass spring system, they all are the examples of oscillatory motion. Examples of oscillatory motion. So in oscillation, we first study about mechanical oscillation. That means the introduction of simple harmonic motion, where we first discuss about the topic oscillation. Then after we discuss about the simple harmonic motion. Then after we derive the different characteristics equation of simple harmonic motion, where you have already derived the equation of displacement, equation of amplitude, equation of velocity, equation of maximum velocity, equation of acceleration, equation of frequency, time period, etc. These are the characteristics of simple harmonic motion. The characteristics equation can be derived at this chapter of simple harmonic motion. Then after we discuss about the types of harmonic motion, simple harmonic motion and angular harmonic motion. Simple harmonic motion and angular harmonic motion. This is your first content, right? And in second content, your second content is free oscillation. Free oscillation. What is free oscillation? About definition, you have already studied in class 11 while studying about simple harmonic motion, as well as in class 12 while studying about sound wave, waves and sound. You have studied about free oscillation in brief only, but at this class we study in detail. That is the difference. And we derive the equation of free oscillation, energy of mass spring system. You know about mass spring system, horizontal as well as vertical, physical pendulum, bar pendulum and torsional pendulum. These are the content that are to be studied in this topic, right? And another is damped and forced oscillation. About damped and forced oscillation, you have already studied in brief. एकदम छोटोमा पढाएको छ तिमीले क्लास 11 डेफिनेसन बुझ्या होला तर त्यहाँभन्दा बढी पढाएको छैन बुझ्यौ। अब तर यहाँ हामी डिटेलमा पढ्छौँ। एउटा ड्याम्ड oscillation हामी पढ्न मात्रै हामीलाई 1 घण्टा पुरै लाग्छ, 1 आवर पुरै लाग्छ। एउटा फोर्स्ड oscillation पढ्न 1 आवर लाग्छ बुझ्यौ। त्यसकारण 11 र 12 मा तिमीले डेफिनेसन पढ्यौ तर त्यतिले पुग्दैन, एकदम डिटेलमा यहाँ हामी पढ्छौँ बुझ्यौ। ल अझ इन्जिनियरिङको लागि त oscillation एकदमै मोस्ट इसेन्शियल चीज भयो हैन, यो वर्ड पनि हो र प्रयोग भइराख्ने चीज पनि हो है त। अनि अर्को कन्टेन्ट हामी यो भनेको मेकानिकल oscillationसँग रिलेटेड भयो। अर्को इलेक्ट्रोम्याग्नेटिक oscillation। इलेक्ट्रोम्याग्नेटिक oscillation. In electromagnetic oscillation, we study about LC oscillation. LC oscillation. You know about the meaning of L and C. What is the meaning of L and C? L is inductor and C is capacitor. In a circuit having an inductor and a capacitor, oscillation occurs, and that oscillation is LC oscillation. Another is which is analogous to simple harmonic motion, free simple harmonic motion, and damped oscillation. Another is damped electromagnetic oscillation. How an electric circuit will be damped? You know, if a resistor is connected in the circuit, then what happens? Energy is lost in the form of heat. That means the electric energy and magnetic energy continuously goes on decreasing, and finally oscillation stops. So that type of oscillation is damped electromagnetic oscillation. That means in LCR circuit, LC circuit मा free oscillation हुने हो, LCR circuit मा damped electromagnetic oscillation हुने हो, अनि LCR circuit मा एउटा external source जोडिदियो भने त्यहाँ forced electromagnetic oscillation हुन्छ. बुझ्यौ? भनेपछि electromagnetic oscillation भने पनि तिमीले तीनटा oscillation पढ्छौ, LC oscillation, LCR oscillation and damped oscillation. पुरो बुझ्यौ? र त्यहाँ resonance को condition पनि तिमीले determine गर्छौ. You determine the condition for resonance as well as the formula for quality factor. These are the content that are to be studied in oscillation. कुरो बुझ्यौ? Oscillation मा पढ्ने कन्टेन्टहरु मैले यहाँ तिमीलाई लेखिदिएको छु. अब तिमीलाई सिलेबस नभए पनि यसबाट हेर्दा हुन्छ. बुझ्यौ? र अब तिमीसँग अहिले तत्काललाई बुकहरु पनि छैन होला. हो कि हैन? बुकहरु छैन. र छैन भने अब तत्काललाई केही दिनपछि म तिमीलाई यो मैले पढाउने सबै एउटा नोट पनि तिमीलाई प्रोवाइड गरौँला है त. 47 जना पनि प्रेजेन्ट भएछ, नोट पनि प्रोवाइड गर्छु. तिमीले राम्रोसँग पढ्नु पर्यो है त, राम्रोसँग पढ्ने. ल अब oscillation भनेको के हो त्यहाँबाट म स्टार्ट गर्छु हैन. ल व्हाट इज oscillation? दिस इज माय फर्स्ट युनिट. व्हाट इज oscillation? लेट अस स्टार्ट फ्रम द डेफिनेसन अफ oscillation. नाउ CR भाइ रोहन.
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by oscillation?
Oscillation is something that repeats itself at a regular interval.
Yes, that repeats itself after certain interval of time. That means the to and fro motion of the body about the mean position, right?
Yes, sir.
The to and fro motion of a body about the mean position is called oscillation. Now, what is the cause of oscillation? Why oscillation arises on the body? Samir, what is the cause of oscillation? Samir Lamisane. Hello, Samir. What is the cause of oscillation? Do you know about the cause of oscillation? No. Roshan Tiwari. प्राप्ति तिमिल्सिन. प्राप्ति बोल न, रेस्पोन्स त गर न. कुरो जे बिग्रिरहन्छ नि अहिले पढ्ने बेलामा बिग्रिन्छ नि, रेस्पोन्स गर्ने कमसे कम. के भन्दैछौ? यस. ल ठिकै छ. अब राम्रो पढ्ने है. तिमीले बिर्सिसकेका छ नि, अब सबै पढेको बिर्सिसकेका छ. फेरि राम्रो छ. नवीन कुमार शाह भाइ भन, व्हाट इज oscillation?
That create disturbance.
That create disturbance. Yes. ल छोड्दियो अब. ठिकै छ. मैले तिमीले कतिको सम्झ्या छौ भनेर जान्न खोजेको मात्रै हो. ल oscillation. ल हेर त, अब म oscillationबाट स्टार्ट गरेँ. व्हाट इज oscillation? Oscillation is nothing but, राम्रोसँग सुन्ने है तिमीहरूले, एकदम राम्रोसँग सुन. Oscillation is nothing but it is the to and fro motion of the body about the mean position. The to and fro motion. If a body oscillates to and fro about the mean position, then the motion of the body is called oscillation. And in class 11, you have studied about the motion of simple pendulum. Once the simple pendulum is displaced from its mean position and then released, then what happens? The simple pendulum, the bob of the pendulum moves to and fro about the mean position. That type of to and fro motion of the body about the mean position is called oscillation. That is called oscillation. And oscillation is the natural phenomenon of the body that arises on the body due to its elastic nature. That arises on the body due to its elastic nature. And in class 11, you have already studied in detail about elasticity. You have already studied in detail about elasticity. ल आस्था पौडेल भन्नु त आस्था पौडेल आस्था पौडेल
Yes, sir.
what do you mean by elasticity?
Elasticity is something that deforms position,
No,
configuration
no.
on applying force.
That is not actual definition. Swapnil, Sigdel. Swapnil.
Yes, sir.
इलास्टिसिटी भनेको के हो भन त बाबु ल
इलास्टिसिटी भनेको चाहिँ हैन त्यो कतिको तन्किनेवाला त्यही
ए अब यो नपढेको साथीको चाहिँ नगर्ने है तन्केको भन्ने ल हेर है तिम्रो अब मैले आज किन सोधेको तिमीहरूलाई भने तिमीहरूले पहिला पढेको कुरा सजिलो हो नि त इलास्टिसिटी भन्ने वर्ड तिमीलाई सजिलो लाग्छ असिलेसन भन्ने वर्ड सजिलो लाग्छ तर पनि के हुन्छ भन्दा पढ्न छोडेपछि टोटल्ली बिर्सिन्छ मुख पेटमा आछ मुखमा आएको छैन भनिन्छ नि हामी गफ लाउँदा सिपालु छौँ नि हामी पेटमा आछ एकदम धेरैचोटि सुनेको वर्ड हो फिजिक्स पढ्दाखेरि इलास्टिसिटी असिलेसन धेरैचोटि सुनेको वर्ड हो तर पनि एक्चुअल एन्सर आउँदैन कुरो बुझ्यौ त्यो भएर राम्रोसँग अब फेरि इनिसियलबाट स्टार्ट गर है सजिलो कुरालाई पनि ध्यान दिएर पढ्ने अनि पढाइ कस्तो हुन्छ भन्छौ भने सजिलो कुरा छ नि त्यो सजिलो कुरालाई हामीले टेर्दैन अनि गाह्रो कुराले हामीलाई टेर्दैन फेरि कुरो बुझ्यौ हैन बुझ्यौ नि सजिलो कुरालाई हामीले नटेर्ने गाह्रो कुराले हामीलाई नटेर्ने भयो भने के हुन्छ पढाइ त गइहाल्यो बिग्रिहाल्यो सिद्धियो हो कि हैन त्यसकारण राम्रोसँग इनिसियलबाटै पढ्दै जाऊ ल ठिक छ मैले जस्ट तिमीलाई चाहिँ तिम्रो मेमोरी कतिको छ भनेर जान्न मात्रै खोजेको अरू कुरा त म बताउँछु ल oscillation is to and fro motion of the body about the mean position and oscillation of the body is the natural phenomenon of the body that arises on the body due to its elastic nature. Now what is elasticity? Elasticity is the property of the body by which the body recovers or regains its original shape or position when the deforming force is removed. If you take a rubber band and when a deforming force is applied, then what happens on the rubber band? The rubber band becomes longer and thinner. That means there is deformation on the rubber band by that force, and that force is called deforming force. A force that changes the shape or position of the body is called deforming force. And if you apply the force on the rubber band, then that becomes longer and thinner. That means the rubber band deformed, and that force is called deforming force. And if you remove the deforming force, then what happens on the rubber band? Then the rubber band returns back to its original shape or position. The rubber band returns back to its original shape or position. And that force which brings the body to its original shape or position is called restoring force. अब त्यो रिस्टोरिङ डिफर्मिङ फोर्स बाहिरबाट हामीले लगाउने हो त्यो रिस्टोरिङ फोर्स बडीमा नेचुरल्ली आफै आउने हो कि हैन नेचुरल फेनोमेना त्यो भएर र त्यो नेचुरल फेनोमेनाको कारणले गर्दा अब हुन्छ के भन्दाखेरि त्यो बडीले ओरिजिनल सेप गेन गर्छ द रबर ब्यान्ड रिटर्न्स ब्याक टु इट्स ओरिजिनल सेप अर पोजिसन when the deforming force is removed. That type of property of the body is called elasticity. And the opposite property of elasticity is called plasticity. तिमीले प्लास्टिक देखेको छ नि प्लास्टिक तिमीले प्रयोग गर्ने प्लास्टिक त्यसलाई तन्काइदिएर छोडिदियो भने के हुन्छ तन्केसी तन्क्यो घुम्चेसी घुम्च्यो that does not show any tendency to recover its original shape or position even though the deforming force is removed. That type of property of the body is called plasticity. So while studying about oscillation, you should know about elasticity also. So I am telling you that oscillation is nothing but that is the natural phenomenon of the body that arises on the body due to its elastic nature. And mainly you can divide oscillation into two types. They are mechanical oscillation and electromagnetic oscillation. Mechanical oscillation and another is electromagnetic oscillation. What is mechanical oscillation or what type of oscillation is mechanical oscillation? Mechanical oscillation is that oscillation in which a body undergoes either a linear displacement or angular displacement from the mean position. यदि कुनै बडी मिन पोजिसनदेखि लिनियर डिस्प्लेसमेन्टमा गयो अर्थात् एङ्गुलर डिस्प्लेसमेन्टमा गएर छोडिदियो भने के हुन्छ भन्दा त्यो बडीमा हुने असिलेसन भनेको मेकानिकल असिलेसन। इफ अ बडी अन्डरगोज आइदर linear or angular displacement from the mean position, then the oscillation of the body is called mechanical oscillation. And in class 11, you study about the motion of simple pendulum, motion of horizontal mass spring system, motion of vertical mass spring system, in which they undergo linear and angular displacement. And so they are called, or they are the example of mechanical oscillation. बुझ्यो हैन? मेकानिकल असिलेसन भनेको त्यस्तो असिलेसन हो जहाँ कुनै पनि बडी लिनियर डिस्प्लेसमेन्टमा जान्छ अर्थात् एङ्गुलर डिस्प्लेसमेन्टमा जान्छ मिन पोजिसनदेखि। कुरो बुझ्यो? द्याट इज मेकानिकल असिलेसन। र यो मेकानिकल असिलेसनको बारेमा तिमीले क्लास 11 मै धेरै नै पढिसकेका छौ र यहाँ पनि पढ्छौ है त। यो क्लासमा पनि तिमी पढ्छौ, म क्रमशः पढाउँदै जान्छु। एन्ड अनदर टाइप अफ असिलेसन इज इलेक्ट्रोम्याग्नेटिक असिलेसन। इलेक्ट्रोम्याग्नेटिक असिलेसन बाइ द वर्ड इलेक्ट्रोम्याग्नेटिक, it consists of two fields. It consists of two energies, electric energy and magnetic energy. And electromagnetic oscillation is that type of oscillation in which there is continuous interconversion between electric energy and magnetic energy. Electric energy changes into magnetic energy and magnetic energy then changes into electric energy. That means there is continuous interconversion between electric energy and magnetic energy.
हेलो हेलो सरको ऊ भएको हो कि हाम्रो भएको मेरो भएको
सरको भएको जस्तो लाग्यो
सरको त्यस्तै भएको
साथीहरु
धन्न यार म त आथिको कि एकछिन त डुबियो भनेर
सिआर हुनु नि गाह्रो रहेछ यार क्वेशन सोध्ने छ
उहाँबाट मन यार दोस्त
सरले लिभ हान्दिरा हेर्न
सरले क्लासमा हान्दिनु हो यार
रमान कल गर न
सिआर दोस्त ल
यार दोस्त
व्हाट यु क्यान डु है त ट्राई
रोहन बराल
आरबी
ट्याग गर्नुस्
सिआर आरबी
म फोन गर्दै छु है त सरलाई
5 मिनेट त छ ब्रो नगर्दैन
सरले भन्नुभएको सुन्दाखेरि ढुक्कले फेल भन्छ जस्तो लाग्छ यार कस्तो भने आनन्दले फेल भन्छ जस्तो लाग्छ कि सरले बोल्या सुन्दाखेरि त
फेल हुन दुःख गर्न पर्ने
सरले भनेको सारा छ भने पर्छ है त्यो भाइ रबर तन्काउने भन्ने मान्छे चाहिँ को हो
होइन इक्जाम्पल धेरै राम्रो दिएको हो नि त हैन
त्यो त प्लास्टिसिटीको एक्जाम्पल जस्तो लाग्यो यार मलाई त
त्यो फुङसु पाङडको जस्तो कुरा गरे कि उनले त पुरै त जिब्बा
सरको लाइन गएछ अरे अब एकछिन बस्दै गर्ने यार 5 मिनेटमा ल्याउनुहुन्छ अरे सर अब
यो फोन हानिसक्यो तिमी
5 मिनेटमा त क्लासै दिन्छ यार सर
क्लास अब त
5 मिनेटमा सकियो
सरलाई फोन गरेर अब नआउनु भन्दै बरु सिधै त्यो नोट हाल्दिने भन्न त उमा सिधै आएर अब
रेकर्डिङ त अफ गरिदियो नि त केटा
ओके आर प्लस पनि त खन्दा फेरि
अनि अर्को क्लासको लागि फेरि स्टार्ट गरौँ न यो चाहिँ इन्ड गर्दैन 1 आवरको लेक्चर